Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. We're just currently working at a property in Northampton where the young child has got allergies. So we've been asked to do a complete allergy clean in the house, which includes carpets, upholstery and mattresses. And we're just here, I thought this is an ideal opportunity to do a black cloth test and just to show you what we can extract from a mattress. If you have a look here, I've just got a black cloth there and there's just a black cloth. So what I'm going to do, this is an inspection canister and I'm just going to place it onto our mattress cleaning machine. So I'll just turn that on there now. Turn on the UVC lights, which kills any bacteria or fungi that's living on the mattress, and I'm just going to do a quick couple of minutes just to see what we can remove and then to show you what's living inside your mattress. just done sort of one pass over the mattress there at the moment, quite quickly, obviously for video purposes. But what I've got to do, I've got to do the other way, like mowing a football pitch, so I've got to do it crossways as well. And then we've got to flip the mattress over and do the other side. I just want to show you, just in that very short time, what we've just extracted from the mattress. Now that is all dust, shed skin from where we living on the mattress, dust mite excrement and dust mites that live in the mattress. These can obviously affect you in relation to allergies, especially if you are quite susceptible to them. The bed acts like a bellows, and as you turn and roll, those bellows, you start inhaling all the allergens. So obviously then if you're waking up with runny eyes, nose, etc., that's what you're inhaling, and that could be the problem that's causing it. So if you do suffer from allergies, recommend that you get your mattresses cleaned every 12 months, or if you're more susceptible, maybe every 6 months. But just give us a call on 01327 342 594 and give you further advice and quotes in relation to mattress cleaning and allergy cleaning. Take care.